Hey guys, I'm showing you how to root the Charmable Flare Light Quad. Okay, let's start. It's key 94 Charmable Light. Charmable Flare Light Quad. Let's check. I use Keynote to root my phone. You need uh, you need uh, a full Wi-Fi access. Full Wi-Fi signal to your phone using Keynote. It's is rooted, man. Please subscribe, guys. See you.